Hey everybody, welcome to week 9. Last week we had a look, or a scavenger hunt actually, looking for some nonverbal communication activities, some really great observations out there. Congratulations to all of you. Some of the stories were just fantastic. Um, so we'll move on. Week 9, we are actually looking at 2 assignments due this week. So, first of all, there will be, unless you want to post something, there'll be nothing on the discussion board to contribute to. Last week, we looked at diversity in the workplace, and there was some really great comments in there as well. Um, it's curious how some people can view diversity as with such value, and others with maybe a little bit more or less value, maybe not disdain, but that sort of we can make it work or we can't. It'll never work kind of attitudes. So, anyway, thank you for your contributions to the discussion board on that. So, again, there will be nothing on new posted on the discussion board. You're always welcome to go and post comments, questions, thoughts, concerns at any time. So, as I said, this week there are 2 assignments due. So, you've got your personal case study as well as a quiz. I have already released the quiz. I just go ahead and do either of those, or both of those, I guess, by next Saturday, the 9th, and post those. So I don't think there's anything in particular with the case study. Make sure that you're just picking case one or case two, and obviously let me know which one it is at the beginning of your representation. The quiz, I think, is all pretty much there. I did change a couple of things, so you'll see one's crossed out, and obviously you're going to do the other one. Don't feel rushed to do anything. What I did want to bring up is that our next week is our final week together. This course officially ends on the 17th. I've asked for your final assignment by by Friday the 15th. I encourage you to have a look at the assignment now in order to maybe pick. There's some options in there, and I'd like you to get thinking about it. It is worth 30% of your final mark, so it is a big piece of your final mark. So have a look at the assignment that's not due for another, almost 2 weeks. So please have a look, perhaps read through the options that you have, and think about which one might apply best to your situation and what you want to write about. I will post again next Saturday. Yeah, okay, so I'm a week ahead of myself here, okay? So I will talk to you again Monday. As always, have a good week. Please email me if you have any questions, and we'll talk to you soon. Thank you.